Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. And this video, one more scanner which I am going to create, which I have already created on daily time frame. So this video, I am just going to start making the scanner into hourly time frames. The request on my student who are requiring the scanner for an hourly time frame. So the daily, which one we already created, and that will tell you how we can utilize this particular scanner for positional in the order block, right? So it is a daily time frame, so we have created, and I'm just going to save this to get backtest result. So some of the stocks we got it, and a few of the stocks we got it. So IDFC First Bank is the recent last entry on daily time frame based on the order block. So here after three consecutive down candle, the fourth one and the fifth one which is closing above, and we are looking on an order block, and also it is looks like a V-shaped recovery, and still it was on the same price. Okay, but now what I'm just going to create, instead of creating the scanner in a 60 minutes time frame. So if I'm using a 16 minutes time frame, so you will be see the last candle, the last 15 minutes candle would be uh, only the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, but a prior candle is 9:15 to 10:15, 10:15 to 11:15. So we have almost six candles, seven candles, but the six candles completing exact 1 hour, and the seventh candle it's not completing 1 hour. It is a 15 minutes candle. Maybe this will give you some false result, or maybe the candle would be very big or very small in nature because of its a closing hour which we are looking for that particular candle. So instead of 16 minutes, if you are using 75 minutes, okay, if you are using 75 minutes, we will be exactly getting almost five candles. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it will be completely getting filled all the time frame. So we have a 9:15 to 3:30, almost 6 hour 15 minutes. But if you are divided into 5, so we will be getting almost 75 minutes would be the best one for such a kind of trade. And we will create, and instead of creating hourly, so we will change that into a daily time frame, sorry, 75 minutes. So let me follow because it is a simple scanner which I have created, no other custom indicated. If you want to follow this lines, and you can also create, and you will be able to make the scanner. Okay, so I'm just here it's the possibilities of 75 minutes, and you need to use wherever the data which showing a daily, it should be 0, and 1 day ago means it should be minus 175 minutes. That's a change which I'm going to change it here. I'm doing this step by step. Whenever minus 1, that should be, sorry, daily minus 1 day ago, or 1 day ago, it should be minus 1. If it is 2 days ago, it should be minus 2. We are going to fix the candle size. So let me submit. So 70, and all the time frame should be 75 minutes, and you should very careful while if you are following this minus 2. Okay, and here it is 2 days ago, so just 75 minutes, and it will be exactly providing the data what we are looking for. Okay, 3 days ago, that means minus 3 candles, and 75 minutes, the reason is to use we will be getting exact number of candles, 5 candles per day. So that's the reason minus 3, and here also we can change it and minus 3. Okay, 4 candles, here 75 minutes, here we have to minus 4. Okay, 75 minutes minus 4. So I need to change all the data which I want to change it to 75 minutes. The reason is to find it whether it is working or not. Let me check it with this after creating the scanner. I'm just step by step following this, and here 1 day ago means 75 minutes. Be careful to creating a scanner, and 2 days ago, so 75 minutes minus 2. That charting having provisions to add a 75 minutes, so that will be helping you to do create the scanner. Minus 2 and 75 minutes minus 3 and minus 3 here, 75 minutes, because I just copied the scanner from previously I created. Okay, that I already updated on my premium group. So premium group is nothing about, you can access all my premium scanner, and and mostly it is a customized indicator also available. So we used mostly the customized indicator to create a scanners, and that will be helping you to finding out better stocks based on the logic and conditions. This would be -2 now. Let me change it to 75 minutes minus, and then it's a 3 days ago minus 375 minutes. Let me check that after creating this whether it is working or not, and I hope it will work better. -2, and here also -2 75 minutes, and -3 75 minutes while creating the scanner, and here -1 +1 -4 -3. We are making any mistakes, it will not work. -2 because it is conditions, right? It will not meet even whether I want to check whether I did all right. So let me run this. If you have any stocks, yes, we have hourly based stocks, and let me save the scan. And okay, so here we are finding few stocks, and Kotak Bank today, so almost 10:30. So let me check Kotak Bank whether it is forming such a pattern or not. So this is what a 9:15 to 10:30. 10:30. How it came 10:30? 9:15. 10, 10, 15, 75 minutes. Okay, that's okay. 10:30. So let me check. 1, 2, 3, and the third one it's greater, and it looks like good. So after 3 consecutive down, and the third one is greater than, and it is closed above, that would be satisfying our condition. At 10:30, this is what a candle where it is closed to 10:30 candle. Yeah, it is a starting time frame. 10:30. So we are funding this one, and the next one is 11:45. So let me check one more few backtest, and this would be IGL. Let me check IGL, the order block whether it is forms or not. It is happening at 10:30 C, where it is 9:15, 10:30. So 3 consecutive down. 10:30 we have to check it is on 16:9. Sorry, 16:9. Yeah, this is what black. So it is 3 consecutive down. Exactly, it forming such a pattern what we are looked at in a daily time frame, consecutive down, and after that the candle forms, and then even now it is closed about this, and maybe a V-shaped recovery, and also the block it forms, and after that there is a good move which is happening on 75 minutes time frame. So this is what not using hourly, it is a purely a 75 minutes time frame. And then let me check some of them, and Lupin and Metropolis how it is. If it is works, then we will be even perfectly make. So this was what happening on 10:30 of 12/9. So where it is 12/9 September. He may be this, and after 3 consecutive, that is also looks good, and he have a good fair value also, and 3 consecutive and 4th and 5th, which moves higher and looks like a V-shaped recovery, and then it moves somewhere. Okay, that's good. And one more stock we find it at the same time. Metropolis. Let me check Metropolis. But 75 minutes using the logic is to find the candle numbers. And I think the date is 12th, maybe at this candle. But in this case, it was failed. But even if it is fails also, it is still available on the scanner. Then it will be says it will never repaint. In the previous to previous, SCL take date is 10/9. So because we used hourly time frame, and 10/9, this is water data. So where exactly 3 consecutive and up and down. So then V-shape recovery, which we find it out, and then there is a good movement. So out of 5, so we have some good movement. I think it may be helping you to find out some opportunities on more than hourly time frame. So it is not an exactly hourly. It is almost 1 hour time frame which we are using. So that will be helping you to find out some opportunity. And this I will share you on my premium group, and you can also modify and access it, those who are already member, and those who are not a member, so you can follow the steps which I have created, and this one which you can make use of it, and that will be helping you to find out the trades. Thank you so much. and thanks for joining here. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe, and if you have any questions or doubt, just comment on the comment box. Thank you for watching.